Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you've been a regular person here, you are also welcome. Please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Hit on the like button if you do love this video. I'm going to show you how I make my moringa oil, the oil I use for my hair. You can use it on your weave-on, you can use it on your natural hair, and you can also use it on your skin, to have a glowing, beautiful skin and sparkling, thick and long hair. The benefits of moringa oil cannot be overemphasized because moringa itself is an amazing plant. Like, it does so many things, it cures so many sicknesses, and it is so wonderful. So I believe you know about moringa, so I'm not gonna bore you with all that details. All right, so if you want to know how to make moringa oil, please continue watching this video. So here is my moringa. Moringa oil is exceptionally famous for the numerous benefits that it offers. It is really famous in the skin and beauty industry. This oil is getting famous day by day in the cosmetic industry purely because of its excellent anti-aging benefits and other important properties. Moringa oil actually helps fight skin fatigue and its oil secretion. It is really great in counterfeiting the ill effects of pollution on your skin. It's a great skin purifier, making it glow naturally. Moringa oil is also known for its outstanding properties of curing acne. It works wonders in removing blackheads and spots from your skin. A flawless skin is what we all crave for, don't we? Let's talk about the benefits on the hair. Moringa oil is really famous as the massage oil. You may wet your hair first and then simply massage some moringa oil onto your scalp gently. This way it will reach your roots and moisturize your scalp. It is ideal for people with dry scalp. Regular use of this oil on your hair can actually make you get strong hair. Moringa oil is also notorious in fighting. So I'm going to be frying this leaf with coconut oil. You can use avocado oil or whichever oil you choose. In the process of frying it, you add a little bit of water and allow it steam for a while. Give it a nice stir and then allow it to steam. Cover it up and give it a couple of minutes before coming back. Alright guys, so I'm back. You can see our oil is becoming greenish and the moringa is beginning to enter into the oil, thereby giving us a famous moringa wonderful oil. When you're done frying, you allow it cool for a little bit before straining it. Alright guys, so my moringa oil is cold. I'm gonna strain it right away. So guys, here is my before and after effects. Alright beautiful people, hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, click on the like button, and see you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.